Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Kushaini binti Awang. We are from Group 4. In this video, we will present our group project, which is the HealthCare-Rescue application. Okay, next I will introduce my group mates. So my name is NURUL binti GIMAN as the team leader. Next is Nursyahirah binti Ismail Johari as the system developer, and AINAN SALSABILLA binti Muhammad KHAIRULNIZAM as the system tester. So now, let's move to the first thing, which is the introduction. So let's go!
Nowadays, there is a lot of information indicating that people of all ages are experiencing cardiac arrest in public places like malls, sports fields, and restaurants. According to the STAR, Malaysia's main cause of mortality in 2019 has been this problem. After the onset of COVID-19, there has been an increase in the frequency of cardiac arrest complaints. Generally, 999 is the emergency health call for public instance of cardiac arrest, and it might take 15 to 20 minutes for an emergency ambulance to reach at the scene of the incident. From time to time, even the ambulance is unable to locate the closest healthcare facility which the patient may be sent as quickly as feasible because of this. To make matters worse, even residents in the immediate vicinity of cardiac arrest cases have no idea where is the closest healthcare facility is for quick treatment. If they had known where is the closest healthcare facility was, they could have saved the patient's life and thereby expedited the patient's treatment and recovery. And therefore, a mobile application has been developed to make it easier for the general public and emergency medical personnel to locate the closest healthcare facility from their own location, where a person in cardiac arrest may get prompt in treatment and as soon as possible.
Alright, the objective of the HealthCare-Rescue application are: first, to develop a mobile application that is user-friendly. The second objective is to develop a mobile application that shows the location of hospital or clinic. And the last one is to monitor the current location of the user. So in this project, there are going to have two target users, which are the Malaysia citizen and also the healthcare center. As for the Malaysia citizen, the public citizens are able to use the mobile application to know the location of hospital or clinic. Same goes to the healthcare center. The healthcare center employees are able to know the location of any hospital or clinic, especially during emergency cases. However, both users are required to sign in into this application by using their Google email account.
Contact of the application. First is Wi-Fi. In order to use this mobile application, Wi-Fi or cellular access to the internet is needed. This is because the login process can be done either by creating a new account or just using the Gmail account that will require the data access by the Gmail account, and therefore can make the process faster for the login step. The data filled in by the user will be stored in the Firebase to save the login data for authentication purpose. Next is Google Map. A map is used to navigate the user's current location in order to display the nearest healthcare center for the user's need. The Google Map also will save the data of the user's location and nearest healthcare center in order to keep serving the features of displaying the locations of each. Next is battery. A battery that powers the device for several hours to use the mobile applications. The fourth one is an on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard enables efficient computer access, allow user to type and also have text-to-speech output. This will be used for entering information during the register and login process. The last one is touch screen interface. Touch screen interface is used to navigate through the mobile application.
Alright, so in any mobile application, there are going to be a few of limitations. So in this HealthCare-Rescue application, there are going to have two limitations. So the first limitation is this application can only display the location of hospital or clinic that we have restricted to a certain area only. Which means that this application will not be able to locate the nearest hospital or clinic within 10 kilometers from the user's current location. We have tried our best to solve this limitation. However, the location still not be able to locate the nearest hospital or clinic from the user's current location. The second limitation is that this project will unable to produce the web server-side application, which should be consist the list of the user's name, their GPS coordinate, and many more. This is because when the user sign in into this application by using their Google email account, the current user's data could not be presented in the Firebase.
Sign in page. As a main page, this page will be displayed when user open the application. User need to click sign in with Google button to sign in the application. To sign in the application, user need to use only Google account or Gmail.
After a user sign-in attempt is successful, then there will be a homepage displayed. And in the homepage, there are several buttons, one logo and information. Maps button, logout button. As for the home button, it will bring back the user to the homepage page. And as for the About Us button, it will bring the user to the About Us page. The button on the homepage is as the same function as the Info button. As for the home button, it will bring back the user to the homepage page. And as for the About Us button, it will bring the user to the About Us page. The button on the homepage is as the same function as the Info button. So in the About Us page, there is a little information about why the application is built and the information about the developers that created the application. And also, on the below of the page, there is a logo of our team.
Next is map page. In this page, application will display the current location of user, and by clicking the zoom map button above, this will be displayed and user location will also be displayed.
The next page is Map Marker page. This page will display the location of the hospital or clinic which is nearest to the user. In this page, the user are able to know the location of each clinic and hospital which has been marked on the map as a pin icon. So when the user click on the pin icon, it will display the hospital name or the clinic name and also the operation hour of the clinic or the hospital. Last but not least is navigation page. This page will automatically display when the user click on the navigation icon previously. In this page, it will display the Google Maps navigation from the user current location to the selected hospital or clinic.